Make sure you're getting yourself into a natural environment on a daily basis. Doesn't matter where it is, just put yourself in that environment and see the magic work, you know. It's gonna elevate your spirit, elevate your mind and overall well-being. Maximize your vitality, move around, get your body moving. Don't sit in a fucking room with blue light and all this UV demonization that is going on in the world. Embrace the sun, absorb the sun. It's your friend, not your enemy. This is day 3